Hey learners, we have started online classes with the inspiration of our Honorable Principal Muhammad Tariqul Islam. I hope you all will participate in the online classes. If you have trouble understanding your classes, let us know in the comments. Today we will learn completing sentence use of in order that. Completing sentence in ACC examination is a simple chapter. These completing sentences are 5 marks in English second paper. You can easily complete this completing sentence with a little practice at home. Let's come today. Today's discussion topic is in order that. Now we will learn how to use in order that in completing sentence. Okay. And look at this here. In order that. What is the meaning of in order that? In order that is as like as so that. Okay. What is the Bengali meaning? The Bengali meaning is যাহাতে যাতে যেন বা এই উদ্দেশ্যে যে। তাহলে আমরা জানলাম in order to এর অর্থ হচ্ছে বাংলায় যাহাতে যাতে যেন বা এই উদ্দেশ্যে যে। Look at this here. The first clause plus in order that plus subject plus can, may or could, might plus present form of verb plus others. If the first clause is present tense, you can use can or may. And if the first clause is past tense, you will use could or might. After subject, you will use could or might. বুঝতে পেরেছো? দেখো আমি আবার বাংলায় বুঝিয়ে দিচ্ছি। প্রথম ক্লোজটি in order that এর পরে প্রথম ক্লোজটির পরে ইন অর্ডার দ্যাট থাকলে তারপরে প্লাস অর্থাৎ এর পরে আমরা সাবজেক্ট লিখব একটি সাবজেক্টের পরে যদি প্রথম ক্লোজটি প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স হয় তাহলে ক্যান মে, যদি প্রথম ক্লোজটি পাস্ট টেন্স হয় তাহলে আমরা কুড মাইট লিখব। ওকে, তারপর কি প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম অফ ভার্ব, ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম প্লাস আদার ওয়ার্ডস, সেটাই লিখেছি এখানে। ইফ দ্য ফার্স্ট ক্লোজ ইজ প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স, you will use after subject can or may. And if the first clause is past tense, you will use after subject could or might. Okay, and now look at this here. I have written some exercise here. The girl saved money in order that. The girl saved money in order that. Look at this, saved, it's past indefinite tense, so you will use here after subject could or might. The girl, she saved, here saved, past indefinite, so we will use here could or might. She could, and you will use a verb which is suitable for the sentence. Okay, she could buy some books. Okay, have you understood? Hey, look at this here. Jaman came to me a story in order that. Jaman came to me. This clause is past indefinite tense. Came. Look at this here. Came. Past form of verb. So it is past indefinite tense. Jaman came to me yesterday in order that he. If the first clause is past indefinite tense, so we will use after subject could or might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. He might, we will use here a suitable verb, meet. he might meet me personally. So null. Okay, look at this. If the first sentence is past indefinite tense, and so we have written here after subject might and base form of verb, and then the last one. Question number 3. Mushfia goes to library in order that. Look at this. How can we complete the incomplete sentence? Mushfia goes to library. The first clause is simple present tense. If the first clause is present tense or simple present tense or present indefinite tense, we can use can or may. Okay. Mushfia goes to library in order that. After in order that, we will use a subject she. The first subject you can use here, Mushfia, she. This verb is base form. It's present indefinite tense, and so we will use here can or may. She may. And then we will use a suitable verb. Okay. Study. And then we will use other words. Study there. Mushfia goes to library in order that she may study there. Okay. It's a very easy. Mushfia goes to library. It is a simple present tense. And so after in order that, we will use subject, and then we will use can or may, and then a suitable verb and other words. Okay. Already we have understood how to use of in order that. Okay. If you have trouble understanding your classes, let me know in comments. Okay. Thank you.